Okay, we are now entering the port aft cabin. So this is the port side behind the galley. And this is where we have the laundry. Now this is a full-size laundry with 6 kilograms washing, 3 kilograms drying. It's a washer dryer. It runs totally off solar power, so with your solar power you can make water with the water maker. Controls of the water maker are in this cabin as well, right here. And then you run the machine off the battery. The battery has we have a very big inverter, and we can simply run the machine off solar power. Both the water and both the electricity are generated with solar. Next to it we have storage, and behind it as well. This wooden structure is basically in place to keep the machine from moving while under sail. And next to that we still have a single berth. We have the 2 mattresses. So should you ever want to convert this back to a double berth and remove the storage area and the washer, we have the slats as well. Then that's perfectly possible. It would take you about 1.5 hours, and you would have no visual trace from the storage and laundry installation. Everything would be hidden by the mattresses and so forth. You wouldn't see it that there ever was storage here. So this is the air conditioning control for both back cabins. The 2 of them, starboard and port, are one zone for the air conditioning. We have a big hanging locker. This is where we keep our sailing gear. Footwell underneath. Some flippers in there for now for us. Then to the side you have very deep storage. We keep our bedding in there. We have bed sheets and cushions and comforter, a whole comforter in there as well. So there's the second one. So it's pretty voluminous. It's you can put a lot of stuff in there. If somebody has to live here with the locker and those 2 storage bits, yeah, when we have crew, they sleep here and they just keep their bag in front of the washer and they live out of their bag basically. So here's the storage. This is our scuba gear in this deep bin, and here is our electricity bin and more stuff, rigging bin and some suitcases. But you could put in like 6 really big bins in there, right? It's pretty voluminous. I think that's about it for the back cabin. Port back cabin behind the galley.